Hello friends, today's topic is best 10 lines on cleanliness. Let's start. Cleanliness is very important in our life. Cleanliness keeps us healthy. We should always keep our surroundings clean. Our cleanliness can save the environment. We should also keep our water and natural resources clean. Cleanliness is very good habit. We should throw the garbage in the dustbin only. Cleanliness is very important for the development of the society. In India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is celebrated on 2nd October. It is our duty to make our country clean and beautiful. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon.